In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report an Atom transaction. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to protect your card and share the right information so support can assist you quickly. Whether you're dealing with an unauthorized swipe or a double charge, start by opening the Atome app on your device. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your account tools. It's important to do this as soon as you notice anything unusual, because time matters when you're safeguarding your card. Once you're in, navigate to the Card tab. This is where you manage both your virtual and physical Atom cards. You'll see the controls that let you change the card's security status. Immediately toggle Lock or Freeze Card to On for both your virtual and physical cards. Turning this on prevents any new transactions while you investigate or report the issue. Give it a second and make sure the app confirms the card is locked. You can always unlock it later once everything is resolved, but locking it now helps stop additional charges. Next, on your device's browser, search for the Atome PH request form. You want to make sure you're on Atome's official site, so look for the legitimate Atome domain and avoid third-party links. If you're ever unsure, rerun the search and pick the result that clearly indicates it's from Atome. On the site, go to the support section and click Contact Us. This will lead you to the page where you can report your issue. You'll be asked for details about what happened, so it helps to have your information ready. Provide specific proof based on your issue type. If you're reporting unauthorized or fraudulent swipes, clearly state the exact date and time of the transaction amount, and the merchant name. You can usually find this in your Atome transaction history or your notification logs. Double-check the time zone and spelling of the merchant to keep your report precise. If you're reporting double charges, attach your external bank or e-wallet transaction history that shows the amount was deducted twice for a single purchase. A clean screenshot or PDF that includes the transaction dates, times, and reference numbers works well. Consider highlighting the two identical deductions, and for privacy, hide any unrelated balances or sensitive identifiers before you attach the file. That's it. Keep your card locked while the issue is being looked into and maintain clear, accurate details so support can take action quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you handle Atome transaction issues with confidence.